Children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and this week whole week we will be doing English language. As you must have seen your weekly planner, in which I have mentioned the subject of English language. Okay, so what we are doing in these days? These days we have started with a new chapter from Tuesday, that is chapter number 11, the pronoun. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you all that yesterday I have given you introduction part of the leftovers chapter which was left that day, and after that I gave you in part 2 video one notebook exercise, and in notebook exercise I gave you the introduction part to write in your notebooks for the pronoun. Okay, so I hope you all have completed it, and you must have done it in your notebooks very nicely and neatly in the way I have explained you. Now today what we are going to do is, again in part 1 video I will be explaining you the whole topic once, okay, in an elaborated manner, and then in part 2 video I will be giving you notebook exercise. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any time. So children, first of all you have to take out the grammarian book, that is book number 2 for class 2, and turn to page number 53. Is that clear? So children, today I will be explaining you this chapter number 11, that is the pronoun, in an elaborated manner, so that you will all understand it very nicely, because other 2 days I have divided the chapter in 2 parts and I have explained it to you in 2 different days. So now today I will be explaining it to you in one manner only. Okay, so listen to it carefully. First of all children, you can see that in the starting of your chapter the first paragraph is given. There is a paragraph given in which it is explained that how we use the pronouns. Okay, so we will read it once. Rahul was late to school. He explained to the headmaster that he was late because he had taken a sick old woman to the hospital on his bicycle, as she could not walk. The headmaster patted his back and said, we are proud to have you as our student." So children, in this paragraph he is used for Rahul, she is used for the sick old woman, and the pronoun we is used here to in place of all the class. Okay, all the school members, all the students. Headmaster patted his back and said, we are proud to have you as our student. So the headmaster is greeting that boy, greeting Rahul as from behalf of all the school members. Okay, so that is why he has written we. Then to have you as our student, so you here is for Rahul. Okay, now what is a pronoun? What is the definition of pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Okay, pronoun क्या है? जो कि nouns की place में use होते हैं words that are known as pronouns. For example, this is Kavita. Kavita is an intelligent girl. Kavita respects her parents and elders. Kavita goes to school daily. Everybody praises Kavita. Okay, so in these sentences the noun word, that is Kavita, is repeated again and again. So we use pronouns to avoid the repetition of each word again and again. Is that clear? So the next, how can you write these sentences by using pronouns? This is Kavita. She is an intelligent girl. She respects her parents and elders. She goes to school daily. Everybody praises her. Okay, so in these sentences the words she and her are used in place of कविता. कविता का नाम है, नाउन है, उसकी जगह शी और हर का यूज़ किया है हमने. सो दीज वर्ड्स आर नोन एज पर्सनल pronouns. Is that clear? So इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Personal pronouns. Now coming to the next part, that is I am Mohini. Now there are some sentences given, read it carefully. I am Mohini. Mamta gave me a book. This computer is mine. Okay, now turn the page. We are classmates. Okay, so next sentence, our class teacher praised us for good homework. Okay, so in these sentences, these books are ours. Now in all these sentences, I, me, mine, we, us and ours is used, and these all are personal pronouns of the first person. Now from this page we are going to study about first person, second person and third person. What is first person, what is second person and what is third person? तो first person कौन है? जब हम अपने बारे में या अपने साथ के और लोगों के बारे में एक साथ बात करते हैं, and at that time when we use these words, these are known as personal pronouns of the first person. Clear? Now all the pronouns that are used for the persons speaking are called pronouns of the first person. First person वो होता है जो भी पर्सन बोल रहा है उसके लिए जो भी प्रोनाउन वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं, दोज आर नोन एज pronouns of the first person. Then coming to the next part, you are a good player. These photographs are yours. Then you and yours are personal pronouns of the second person. जब हम किसी और को second person के बारे में बात करते हैं तो that is known as pronouns of the second person. Like if yesterday also I gave you one example that if I say you are a good boy, okay, when you will start coming to school I will say that you are a good boy, then that means I am talking about the second person. Okay, I am your teacher, that means I am talking about myself, so I am the first person. Then I am telling you that you are a good student, so that means I am talking about you, that is you are second person. So all pronouns that are used for the persons spoken to are called pronouns of the second person. जिस person के लिए हम बात कर रहे हैं उसको हम second person बोलते हैं. Then coming to the next sentences, he is playing tennis. We praise him for his good behavior. She is singing a sweet song. I met her yesterday. The baby is crying. Feed it. They are good neighbors. Tell them the news. So in all these sentences we can make out that these sentences we are speaking to the second person for some other person. इन sentences को पढ़ के हम साफ पता कर सकते हैं कि हम ये मतलब हम कोई बात second person को बता रहे हैं, but किसके लिए? किसी third person के लिए. जैसे he is playing tennis, so I am telling you that he is playing tennis means कोई third boy है जो कि टेनिस खेल रहा है, ये मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. So that means I am the first person, you are the second person, and for whom I am talking to you will be the third person. Is that clear? So here also the words he, him, she, her, it, they and them are personal pronouns of the third person. Now all these words which are written in red color here are the personal pronouns of the third person. Okay, so all pronouns that are used for the persons spoken about are called pronouns of the third person. So I hope that you all have understood till here very nicely. Now coming to the next page, that is 55 page. I have told you to mark this table as important. Because why it is important table? Because through this table only we will come to know that first person pronoun में हम कौन कौन से pronouns use करते हैं, second person pronoun में कौन से, और third person pronoun में कौन से use करते हैं. Okay, so first person pronoun I, me, mine, we, us, ours. Second person में you or yours. Third person में he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them. Okay, and theirs. All these words are used for third person pronouns. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the whole topic very nicely. So no need to explain it again. I hope you all have understood each and every part, that what is first person, what is second person, and what is third person. Now children, please, after watching this video, switch on to part 2 video, in which I will be giving you notebook exercise to complete. Okay children.